Last bit of housekeeping before we jump into the good stuff, let's set some expectations for the course. Now, first and foremost, this is extremely important. What you see on your screen may not always match what I'm showing on mine. The thing is, Power BI desktop features update very, very frequently. In fact, you'll see new versions released every single month. And what that means is that you may see differences in the interface or the user experience as the product continues to evolve. And one other note here, Power BI is currently only compatible with PC or Windows operating systems. It's not currently available for Mac users. Next, this course is designed to help you build foundational skills. So our goal here is to help you build a strong, deep foundational understanding of the Power BI desktop workflow, and we may simplify some topics or avoid some advanced or specialized tools. Things like M-code, advanced DAX, custom R, Python visuals, etc. Third, this is a hands-on and project-based learning experience. Like we talked about, we're going to be working through the entire BI workflow and creating a professional quality dashboard from the ground up. What that means is that you'll get the most value out of this course if you follow along very closely with the course demos and assignments. And last but not least, we will not cover Power BI Service as part of this course. This one focuses on Power BI Desktop specifically. So those online sharing and collaboration features you'll find in Service at app.powerbi.com require a separate account, and those are covered in depth in a different course. So with that, let's roll up our sleeves and start getting to know Power BI Desktop.